It's been a fascinating 3 weeks of competition in the IDFC First Bank Dilip Trophy 24-25. We are in match number 6, coming to you live from Anantapur Cricket Ground, and it's day 4 between India A and India C. Looking for a result will be India A, looking for a win will be India C. India A managed 297 in their first innings. In reply, India C got just 234 and conceded a lead. But India A have consolidated on that lead and they are 333 runs ahead at this point of time. First runs on the board of day 4. He still finds the gap. Boundary to Tanush Kotian. It is a freeway. Ball's been skied and it's been taken. Very nice. And the first wicket of the morning has fallen.
Oh. चौथा विकेट गौरव के नाम, और अवेश खान आए और अवेश खान गए. अपनी पारी को डिक्लेयर किया है, पारी घोषित की है.
And they have decided to declare the innings with a lead of 349. And give a target of 350 runs to India C to have an outright win. Do the bowlers have it in them to dismiss the batting order of India C? Remember, Indrajit will not be batting, so they are a batter short.
सौ 50 रनों की जरूरत.
इस लाइन पर गेंदबाजी करेंगे तो यही असर होगा.
This one is flown past the slip. Delightful shot. And you know who the batter is.
ओ अंदरूनी किनारा, बहुत दूर से खेलने की कोशिश की. रन यहां भी आएंगे 4 ऋतुराज को.
That's played away nicely into the gap. He'll get a boundary. It's a mix-up. Direct hit will always be referred to.
TV umpire to director, we have a referral for run out at wicket-keeper's end.
पर इंडिया ए को पहली सफलता विजय कुमार वैशाख के रूप में.
Beauty of a shot. Nicely played away on the onside. He finds the gap as well. Played away through the offside. Couple of runs at least for Sai Sudarshan. And that'll be lunch on day 4 at this complex. RDTA is the venue. And on the 4th day, 31 overs have been bowled in the first session, 94 runs having been scored, 3 wickets lost. And this is a match summary. India A got 297 and they got a lead as well because India C got out for 234. They piled up 286 for 8 in the second, leaving India C to do whatever it is that they can in the 4th inning. 78 for 1. They need 272 runs to win.
As we see a glorious shot from a left-hander. Nice, very nice. Good balance, good timing.
ये दूसरी बार है इतना बढ़िया स्टाइलिश कवर ड्राइव मारा है.
और आसानी से खेलते हुए थर्ड मैन दिशा में 4 रन.
Once again, almost a repeat of the previous delivery. Back-to-back fours for Sai Sudarshan, and that brings up his 50. They enjoyed it in the dugout. Once again, getting out in the same fashion. I was talking about this particular method that Gaikwad was using. That's the end of Gaikwad.
Top shot, top class stuff. Avesh Khan will have to put in the dive. He doesn't. Finally rewarded. You just can't keep this young player out of the contest. Persistence pays.
There he goes, announces his arrival. Delightful shot, long stride out, Ishan Kishan.
एक बार फिर बेहतरीन प्रहार, करारा प्रहार. अगर उनके हाफ में बॉल आता है तो उसका नतीजा यही होने वाला. ये शॉर्ट और लेंथ बॉल बिल्कुल ब्रेड एंड बटर शॉट है साई सुदर्शन का.
Really well controlled shot. And a very bad misfield. Was in the air, just wide of gully fielder. Awkward bounce. As Vineet Kulkarni pulls out the bails. And it'll be tea. It's been a game where just the 2 wickets have fallen in the second session, where you thought a lot more would fall.
और ये है मैच का लेखा जोखा. इंडिया है 297, जवाब में 234, 286 प्रहार दूसरी पारी में पराग की बेहतरीन पारी के चलते, और इंडिया सी 169 पर 3. इंडिया सी को अभी भी 181 रनों की जरूरत.
आगे आगे बहुत पीछे खेल रहे हैं. आगे का बॉल पीछे खेलने की कोशिश साई सुदर्शन.
Big appeal, and he started to walk. Another wicket has gone down. Nicely tossed up, bit of turn, getting the outside edge, Ishan Kishan. Running hard for the first one, and he will get a boundary.
ये अच्छा लगा, ये बढ़िया अच्छा कैच पकड़ा वहां पर मयंक अग्रवाल ने. ये कमाल का कैच, फ्लाइटेड डिलीवरी, मजबूर किया ड्राइव करने के लिए, और ड्राइव किया भी हवा में.
Abhishek Purell, who did so well in the first innings.
Interesting. Was it on the full? Yes, it was. The umpire says it was a catch.
At lightning quick speed, it travels to the boundary. Oh, nicely played. Stand up and salute. And take a bow for this man, Sai Sudarshan. Not amongst the runs in this competition. But when it came, the time came that he had to play a crucial innings. That's average turn we're talking about, as this one is overpitched and Manav Sutar quickly onto it. Very quickly onto it, and refines the gap to perfection.
Oh, would you believe it? Full toss, hit straight to the fielder. It was not a conventional mid-off nor an extra cover. He was in between. That's the end of Manav Sutar. He's disappointed. Now, what I meant by that was that I was going to call as I just see it, not get into analysis part of it.
ओ हवा में, और इसी के साथ साई सुदर्शन और 8वें विकेट का पतन. पुल करने की कोशिश, सिंगल लेने की कोशिश, टॉप एज और एक बेहतरीन कैच.
And it's taken. Tilak Verma. What a fielder. And that's the end of Indrajit. And that's looking dangerous, yes. Vineet Kulkarni agrees. And Prasidh Krishna does the job, picking up 3 wickets here. Traps Kamboj in front. And India A win this game by a margin of 132 runs. And this is the moment they've been waiting for. This victory has secured them the Dulip Trophy as well.
Pitching outside off stump, impacting line, wickets hitting. Back to Vinith on field. Vinith, stay with your decision of out. You're on screen. Signal out, please.
Confirmation coming from Vinith Kulkarni. And there's the jubilation in the India A side because they won this game. And as a result, they are the winners of the IDFC First Bank Dulip Trophy for the season 24-25. India A won the Dulip Trophy here, but they had to work very hard because they're pegged on to the back foot on the opening morning, but they did well to recover and get 297. And then after that, they also secured the first innings lead by bowling out India C for 234. And then 286 for 8 is what they got in the second innings before they declared and set a target of 350 for India C. India C did well in patches, but it was not enough because they had bowled out for 217. The India A won this match by a margin of 132 runs.
Well, they had their moments where they were down at one stage, but they came up trumps when it mattered the most. They needed an outright victory in the final game. India C was stocked as favourites. They just needed a first innings lead, but hats off to India A, a moment that they will remember and cherish for a long, long time. Desperately needed an outright victory, and they got one towards the end with just about 4 overs remaining. Fantastic batting performance. Comprehensive team performance. Everybody chipped in. Tilak Verma did well. Kotian did well. Riyan Parag also contributing. So it was a complete team performance. Shams Mulani, extreme left, good with the bat and the ball.